Hey there. So whether you make Afrobeat or Amapiano, I think it's important for you to learn how to play R&B chords, because if you look at some artists these days, especially artists who know how to sing, they like blending that R&B vibe into Afrobeat or Amapiano. So I'm going to show you how to play the chords, because for you to make that kind of vibe, you need to know how to play the chords. So if you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So right here, I have a project. Let's bring the tempo down to a typical Afrobeat Amapiano vibe. So let's type in value. Let's do 1-1-12. So come to the piano roll. Now we're going to choose our key and scale. And for me, I'll be using F sharp minor. And this should work, on any scale really. So we're going to create a simple triad first, because all of this starts from a simple triad, especially since you're getting used to this. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to play on this. Then to create a triad, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So we have that. And then we'll simply duplicate to get the second chord. Then duplicate again, and then repeat that. This is a nice chord, right? So now we're going to make it a little bit more interesting. So the first we're going to do is add extensions, that is basically 7s or 9s, okay? So since this is 5, remember 1, 3, 5. So this would be 6, this would be 7. And then we'll listen. And then we'll come again here, and then 5, 6, 7. And then come again 5, 6, 7. And then we add another one here again. Or sometimes you can be a bit more expressive and decide to leave it on just 1. I like that. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is do some inversions. All right, so we're just simply going to highlight this and then bring it down. Now inversion just simply means making it sound a bit different from how it would normally sound. So this is how this chord sounds. And when I bring this down by pressing Ctrl down versus, so sometimes it may sound a bit weird at first, but you're going to get used to it. It sounds really good. And so we have this. Now we can change this from a C sharp major 7th into a dominant, and to do that is just simply taking this right here. Let's turn off the scale, snap, and then we'll move it. So easily we've gotten the R&B vibe. Let's reduce velocity of the key so it sounds a bit softer. So alternate X or option X. So we're going to come here again and also do an inversion. Bring this down. You can hear that? That sounds more interesting, right? So let's also add some bass notes from the root keys. So remember, these are the root keys for the chords. Just make it sound a bit fuller, bring it down. Or you can even take it to a higher octave. And by the time I add a simple drum loop, here's how it sounds with the chords. Now if you still struggle creating R&B chords, you can use our MIDI chord pack, the R&B MIDI chord pack right here, which has different sub packs inside. For example, if I click this, you can see you have over 10 MIDI chords in this guy right here. Same thing with this, over 10 MIDI chords. So if I drag maybe this one into the piano roll of the sound you already chose, and they're all on C major or A minor, okay, so it's very easy to use. Then I could also come here. I'm sure you can already hear maybe Tyla or even RS on this. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And if you want this pack, you can get it from the link in the description or visit our website, sctutorials.com. Cheers.